If you frequently browse in the incognito tabs, then one thing you can do to safeguard your privacy is simply lock the incognito tabs with Face ID or password. But how do you lock incognito tabs in Chrome with Face ID or password? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to lock incognito tabs in Google Chrome with Face ID or passcode. In order to lock incognito tabs with Face ID or passcode in Google Chrome, what we have to do is we have to just go to Google Chrome. And once we open the Google Chrome web browser on iPhone or Android, next we have to tap on this three dot icon, and that will show us these options. Among these, we have to tap on settings, and now we will be in the Chrome settings on iPhone or Android. And next we have to just scroll a bit, and you will notice there is privacy and security options. So tap on that, and after that here we will see the option for locking incognito tabs when Google Chrome is closed. So in order to lock incognito tabs of Google Chrome, we have to just toggle it on and then confirm to use Face ID for locking the incognito tabs. And after that, simply tap done to save the changes, and now the incognito tabs in Google Chrome will be locked. Let's open a new incognito tab, and you can see it is requiring the Face ID. And here if we just search anything and then just minimize the Google Chrome web browser, and after that if you try to open the browser again, you will notice that the incognito tabs are locked with Face ID. Now you'll have to authenticate with Face ID, and after that only the incognito tabs will be shown and you can use that. So this way you may lock the incognito tabs in Google Chrome on iPhone or Android. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.